Bullish Axie limitlessness cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $40.24 and $76.01 by 2030. Market investigators accept Axie could reach $31.30 by 2025. Bearish Axie vastness market cost expectation for 2023 is $7.15. Axie vastness presentation. Axie vastness is a computerized pet local area that consolidates the best of blockchain innovation with customary gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure certifiable prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. In any case, what makes Axie vastness novel is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to possess their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axies. These Axies can be exchanged, reared, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie vastness? Axie endlessness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be gathered from parts. The game elements a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game money, Ax, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with ongoing interaction. There is likewise a landmarks mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thus based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neural Connection Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion in prevalence. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, mission framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. From that point forward, the game has kept on including new satisfied and includes a normal premise. In the event that you're searching for a tomfoolery and compelling pet reenactment game with a lot of profundity and replay esteem, make certain to look at Axie boundlessness. Axie vastness central investigation. The group behind Axie vastness is extremely capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for more than 2 years and has an enormous local area of dynamic clients. Axie vastness is one of the most famous games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by day-to-day dynamic clients. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and different ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 unmistakable body parts accessible for these Axies, including seagoing, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any mix of body parts, making them truly variable and regularly phenomenal and extraordinary. Parts from each sort class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, intriguing, very interesting, and amazing. Each Axie may just variety a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies. Not at all like a few other blockchain-based battling and reproducing games. Proprietors of Axe tokens can before long stake their tokens to get reliable payouts. Holders of Axe will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, rather than specific other stakeable resources. Axie limitlessness current cost. Axie limitlessness is at present worth $8.94 USD. Axe has moved 3.16% as of now with an exchanging volume of $308,176,892. Axie limitlessness is at present positioned 49 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $943,933,213 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Axie vastness to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Axie endlessness value expectation 2023. Axie endlessness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Axe cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $13.40. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $12.51 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Axe is supposed to have a base worth of $10.72. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2024. In 2024, Axie limitlessness Axe cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axe will before long outperform $22.33. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Axe's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Axe will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $17.86 and a typical exchanging cost of $19.65. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $31.26 and Axe might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $28.58 and a low of $26.80 in 2025. Axie Boundlessness Value Forecast 2026. Assuming Axie limitlessness effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2026. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $40.20, with a base cost of $35.73 and a typical cost of $37.52. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $46.45 by 2027, with a base cost of $44.66 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Axie has a most extreme value worth of $49.13. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $55.38. In the event that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $58.06. Neglecting to assemble the help Axie needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $53.59. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2029. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $62.53 and a yearly cost close above $66.99 in 2029. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Axie Vastness will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $71.46 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $75.93, averaging out at $73.25. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Axie cost in 2031 is projected to be $87.54 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $83.96. And so what does the future hold for Axie Vastness? The truth will come out eventually. Yet assuming that the past is any marker, we can anticipate incredible things from this promising venture. Make certain to watch out for Axie as it proceeds with its climb to becoming one of the top digital currencies on the planet. What is the Axie endlessness cost today?